Avon calling.
Weren't you just here?
No, not since last season. Today I've come to show you our exquisite new line of softer colors in shadows, blushes, and lipstick. Everything you need to accent and highlight your changing look.
My changing look. That's good.
Well, it goes without saying that I also have a complete selection of your old favorites, those tried and true products we've all come to depend on year in and year out.
Come on, Peg. I never buy anything from you. You know that.
I know.
Bye.
Bye, Helen.
You know, you didn't have to call me, ma'am. You could have taken care of this by yourself.
I could? I don't think so.
Yeah, you see, it's easy. Your food trap's clogged, that's all.
Oh.
You see this bolt here? You just unscrew this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And out she pops.
You know, on TV they say you repairmen are a lonely bunch of people. Housewives get lonely too, although you may not realize it since they haven't made a commercial on the subject.
And then you just take this and put it back in here nice and easy. Be careful not to force it because it fits in there by itself. And then you just screw this back on.
Oh, now who could that be? Will you excuse me for a moment? Now, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. This is fascinating. I wouldn't want to miss a moment of it.
Good morning, Joyce. Avon calling.
Why, Peg, have you gone flying? Can't you see there's a vehicle in my driveway? Oh.
Yes.
Well, I'm surprised you don't realize that means I'm busy.
Okay, now we should decide on lipsticks. Okay, dear, what one did you like best? There was the Winsome Wahine, which looked charming